Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in Mozilla Firefox browser. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So on the upper right hand side inside Firefox, click on the three lines, also known as the burger menu, click on that. Now from here, go down and click on settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down on this page till you find the section that says language. Now as you can see here, I now have English US as my current language. Now in order to change this, you want to simply click the drop down and you will now have the option that says search for more languages. So click on that. Now from here, all you have to do is just select at the bottom where it says select a language to add. Click that drop down and you will find all the languages there that you can think of. Now you can just simply scroll through and find whatever language you want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply look, for example, for a Czech language. So let me go ahead and find it. There is Dutch here, and there is also the Czech. So let me go ahead and choose one, Chestina, right? So click on that. Now to add this language, just simply click on add button here. And then all I have to do is just click on OK. Now as you can see, my browser is now in that language. Now to switch back is pretty easy. All you have to do, you can just simply find the language section. This will also be in the language that you have. So you just need to click drop down here and select the other language that you want. And it will go back right into that language. So this is how you easily change a language in your Firefox browser, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.